Om Shanti. Today's Murli. Date 26 June 2021. Essence. Sweet children, the Father's Srimat is: turn your face away from this old world. In order to attain liberation in life, imbibe divine manners. Question. Which manners can no one but the Father teach you? Answer. To become pure and make others pure. These are the greatest divine manners. While living at home with your families, remain pure. Only the one Father and no one else can give these teachings. You children have unlimited renunciation. You remove this old world from your intellects. You know that when you imbibe purity, all other manners will come automatically. Main points from the Murli. Point 1. On the one side, there is the whole world, those who are on the path of devotion, whereas on this side, there are you children on the path of knowledge. They continue to climb the ladder of devotion, and you children come down the ladder of devotion and climb up the ladder of knowledge. Point 2. You know the purifier, Father, and you remember him. The more you children remember the Father and imbibe knowledge, the more the darkness of ignorance is removed from you. Point 3. I always have knowledge and purity. You forget this, and so the Father comes at this time, removes you children from extreme darkness, and purifies you with knowledge and yoga. No one else can say, I have come from the supreme land, now remember me. Point 4. When someone makes something new, it is given a new name, just as they speak of New Delhi and Old Delhi. However, the world is still old. You children must now completely remove your intellect's yoga from this old world. We souls have to go to our sweet home, the land of Nirvana. Have the faith that each of you is a soul. Point 5. As much as possible, stay in remembrance. You have permission to do your work for 8 hours, but then make time for this. The main thing is purity. You know that this is a forest of thorns. They continue to prick one another. The Father says, now follow Srimat. Shiv Baba is talking to you, and Brahma is also talking to you. But you know that Shiv Baba is teaching you and that you are students. Essence for Dharna. Point 1. Constantly keep your aim and objective in front of you and imbibe divine virtues. In order to go to the Sato Pradhan world, adopt manners of purity. Your intellect must have unlimited renunciation. Point 2. Remember your most beloved Father and your land of happiness. Remove your intellect's yoga from this land of sorrow. Blessing. May you be a true yogi and cooperative soul who has yoga with the One Father and thereby receives everyone's cooperation. Explanation. To the extent that someone is yogi, he accordingly definitely receives everyone's cooperation, because a yogi's connection, that is, his love, is with the seed. As a return of love, he receives everyone's cooperation. Those who have yoga with the seed and water the seed with love attain the fruit of cooperation from all souls. Because of having yoga with the seed, they have a connection with the whole tree. Slogan. To say mine to old sanskars means to slacken your efforts. I repeat, to say mine to old sanskars means to slacken your efforts. Om Shanti.